Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the Lenovo Tab M10 HD tablet. This tablet gets a 10.1-inch HD display, gets dual front-facing speakers, and it's powered by a quad-core processor. So let's get started with the unboxing of this tablet. So as you can see over here, this is the box and you can get a slight glimpse of what the tablet looks like. It's got this 10.1-inch display and you've got this Tab M10 written over here as well, and here is the Lenovo branding. It's quite colorful. It's got this dual shade, this box. It's got this shade of purple, it's got this shade of white, it's got the design of the tablet with a reference design of basically what you get inside the box. But at the back you have a lot of features that are highlighted about the tablet. This is the slate black variant of the tablet, as we wanted to mention. It's powered by a quad-core processor. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core processor. It's get Wi-Fi connectivity support, and then you have dual front-facing speakers, multi-user for easy sharing. That's one of the features that Lenovo offers, and is powered by Android operating system. And you've got different kind of features that we can talk about in a short while. But now first let's open the box and see what all Lenovo is offering with the Tab M10 inside, and see what all you're getting with it. So we'll just take this box out now, and as you can see over here, the tablet is neatly wrapped inside this case. So when you untie this off, you basically get a quick and nice impression of the tablet. You can see this is the slate black variant. It's got this 10.1-inch tablet screen, and it's got this HD resolution which is 1280 by 800 pixels, and you've got some of the features which highlighted on the tablet itself. It again says 2 GHz quad-core processor, dual band Wi-Fi is supported for connectivity. You've got dual front-facing speakers, and these are primarily the speakers over here. And at the back it's quite plain and simple, and it's got this nice look and feel to it, and it feels quite nice to hold, and it's not very heavy for its size as well. Apart from this, you have the quick startup guide that's primarily going to get you started using this. So it's good to see what I think it's really smart of Lenovo to combine safety, warranty as well as quick startup guide into the same booklet. So you've got all the information over here. So let's say if you're new to using tablets in the market, what you have to just do is go through this manual. You'll get a basic understanding of how the tablet works, how to sign in with your Google ID, how to download apps to this, and how to use the speaker on this, how to charge the tablet. So all those features are given here, and then you have the safety warranty as well. So basically you get to understand like what are the safety measures you have to follow while using the tablet. And now let's say if you have some issues with the tablet and you have that covered within the warranty period, so you can head over to a nearest Lenovo center, use the warranty conditions available, benefits, and get whatever thing you want to get done without any cost to be paid. So that's primarily what you get in terms of paperwork with this. Then you have this SIM lock key as well. So this supports connectivity via SIM, so that's primarily why you're getting this one. So you just use this and use this to eject the SIM slot and fit in the SIM, and you get on-the-go connectivity without requiring Wi-Fi all the time to use internet all the time. It's got this micro USB cable, black color, neatly wrapped inside this case, and you have the USB port which goes inside this black color adapter. So what you have to do is one part of the USB goes inside this adapter and the other one goes to the tablet, and that's how the charging functions. So that's primarily what you get inside the box with this Lenovo M10 tablet. So to summarize, basically what Lenovo is offering with the Tab M10 is a quick startup guide, a safety manual as well as warranty guide that's primarily packed into this one booklet. So you have all the information, all the details, all the benefits that you get with the tablets. It's there. You've got the SIM ejector key over here. So let's say if you want to install a SIM card onto the tablet, use this. Go to the SIM ejector slot, unplug it and put in the SIM card, and then you get on-the-go connectivity. You've got this black color micro USB cable that's neatly wrapped inside this case, along with the black color adapter, which basically is a detachable travel adapter. So you connect one part of the USB to the travel adapter, the other to the power source, and your charging of the tablet will start. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.